So in today's video, I will show you how to clean the spray head, which is here, the spray nozzles, which clean the spoons and forks, etc., which are placed in here. So it is simple. First, you have to remove this. Just pick it up like this. You already know that. And then remove this. So I have taken this rack out. If you turn it upside down, you can see here one lock and another lock. This lock is keeping it in place. In addition to these locks, 1, 2, and 3. So how do we remove this? First of all, lift it up from this side and then slide it out. So it goes like this and this. Lift it up, this, and removed. So these were the locks that I was mentioning about. And these tiny holes, they get blocked with time and it affects the efficiency of cleaning. So I'll show you. These are the holes which, as you can see, are blocked. So I'll show you in. So keep looking at the spray pattern here and you will know if it is blocked or not. I turn on water like this. Can you see here? Water is not flowing there. I'll make it more clear like this. So some holes, these holes especially, the ones in the bottom there. So I'll just use a toothpick, poke it through all the holes. So I've cleaned it. Let's see how the end result looks like. So those holes are still blocked. So despite all my attempts, I have not been able to open these holes. Not sure what is going on. And there are a couple of other holes also which are blocked. So there is no way to access it inside. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a hole here with this bit. It is slightly bigger than this hole, and that will let me have access inside it. And once I've done that cleaning, I'll seal that hole with an epoxy or something like that. Let's see if this helps do the job and if the water flows from this one. No flow from even the new hole, so it means that entire side is blocked. This in. And run the water also along with it. You can see lots of gunk is coming out. No, still no use. Okay. I think I'll need to do, this is the hole which I have made. This is slightly bigger than. So I tried everything to clean, but I could not get the gunk out. So I ended up making 4 holes. One here, one here, one here, and one here. And then ran a brush right up till here. And from here, right up till here. And removed a lot of gunk. And then it was all cleaned, and now the holes are clean. And what I'll do, the next step is to close off these holes. I'll apply some epoxy and let it cure overnight, and then so I have sealed those holes which I had made with the drill bit, and it's not very neat, but it will get the job done. This is the final result. All holes are properly opened and it's working fine. Thanks for watching.